Hi everyone, Archana here, and it's our Friday tutorial. Today we are making these sweetheart blossom kind of, or whatever name you want to give these super cute sprays. And today we are giving a justice to our this baby punch. It's always in front of me and I never get a chance to use this cute little baby of our EK Success punches. I created this bouquet today using this one, of course. We will need, as usual, our punch, and this is the foam. These are foam cutouts. So I have this lilac foam, and as usual we cut with the liner of some paper, and I already cut some of them for us. So we need a little bit warm iron. We will need some floral tape and a wire and a glue. We need this glue to stick this floral tape. Since my floral tape is little dry, it's not that sticky, so I'm going to use that. Otherwise we don't need any kind of glue. We need some kind of stamens, and I recommend little bit large size of stamen. I usually use this size, but look at this size is little bit bigger and it's look cute pearly. It is available in local art craft stores, or got some cutouts here. And what we'll need to do, we just need to stick them on our iron. Please be careful, since this is warm, not hot, warm, but still it's not good to use bare hand. I'm doing it since I know what I'm doing. So I already made these flowers using my bare hands, but you can use some kind of tools to hold that. So what I did, I just stick them on our iron and they are falling down like that. So just stick that and let them go down. Just stick that and let them fall. They are so cute. One more time, one last one. Just stick it and we are done. So our iron work is done here, easy peasy. So we got these cute little birds reminding me lily of the valley. So why not making lily of the valley out of these in future? Or if you want, you can make them, but I'm using them for our cute little spray. So these two sprays I have created here, and third one we will make here. So it's very easy. I got these two stamens, since it has double head, two-headed stamens. So we just need to cut it in between. So we'll get 4 out of this, and now we need to make a hole. So good little hole, since these flowers are tiny and these stamens are little bit larger. It is little bit thick of these stamens, so make sure to make this hole little bit larger, but don't make it more, since these are very tiny. It can be ruin your center. They will cut easily since it's a foam. So just insert these stamens. Sometimes, you know, the foam shrinks, so we need to just make sure to make it a little bit bigger. So this one is like that, and I will just make other 3 and we will assemble the bouquet. I will show you how to assemble that. So look at these so cute little flowers we just created, and we will need 3-4 green and 9-10 of the purple flowers. So let's take our wire, and I'll start with the green flower. We don't need much greenery here, so I just want to make sure we will show some greenery on top of this bouquet. So just take this. I will use a little bit glue, as I mentioned. So just start with the green. Doesn't matter if you want to start with other colors, that's fine, but since we are using only 3-4 green flowers here, so I just wanted to make sure green will show up a little bit from the top, and then just keep adding these cute little flowers like this. There is no specific technique, just keep adding them. Hope you can see. And then in between, after 4 to 5 purple flowers, just get the green one somewhere here. This is little time consuming flower technique, but if you are watching TV or doing nothing, just try to cut them in enough quantity, and then it will be easy for you to make these kind of sprays. So mostly while I am watching TV, I rarely watch it since I rarely get some time. I just try to die cut these flowers or punch out these flowers, and then my flower making life is easy. I'm sorry, sometimes I'm out of the frame. I'm so sorry. So just like that, I just keep adding the flowers, and if you want the bigger one, so just add as many as possible. So that is it, and this is our third bouquet is ready. But if you want to make a really big nice bouquet, so make bunch of these kind of small bouquets. Don't try to make a big bouquet using this technique, since if you are keep adding, it will just make a line like a from top to bottom, just like in carrot shape. But if you want nice like a hydrangea shape bouquet, then make bunch of them and then use a wire, and then again same technique, keep adding bunches in one wire, just like we kept adding our flowers. So your bouquet will look like this. So it looks like a lilac bouquet though. So these are the cute little bouquet we made today, and I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on next Friday. Bye for now.